Regularly, I would not measure my frozen fruit for my smoothie, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna measure it. So I'm using 2 cups of frozen fruit. Usually that's the measurement that I'm doing. I'm just eyeballing it. And this is why I don't use measuring cups, because it just gets messy. I'd rather just pour it out the bag. But yeah, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen pineapple. In order to get that smooth consistency that I want, I'm using about half a cup of coconut milk yogurt. Coconut milk can be hard to find, like a nice clean one, so I usually just grab coconut milk yogurt, which has some probiotics. It's definitely gonna have you on the toilet, and that's what we want, okay? That's what we want. We're trying to lose weight, we're trying to detox, we're trying to get better, so probiotics, we're here for it. As somebody who's trying to lose weight and all of the above, you should have superfoods in your smoothie. So today we're using some sea moss shell. I'm gonna link below where I get my sea moss shell and all that good stuff down below. Likewise, we are gonna add a ripe banana. This has been sitting in the fridge, getting nice and ripe. And we love it because it's gonna add sweetness, it's gonna add creaminess and thickness to our smoothies. I have some cold pressed green juice from Trader Joe's. Like I said, we're trying to detox. We want to add superfoods. We want to have energy. We want this smoothie to give us life. So the green juice is going to add the right amount of vitamins and minerals that we're looking for the day. It's going to fuel our bodies. This is the perfect breakfast smoothie for anyone who cares about themselves. You get what I'm saying? One little pro tip I want to give you guys is make sure you're not overfilling your blender. If you don't want it to splatter all over the place, it's important that you look at the fill line and make sure you're not going above that. I went like an inch above, but it's no big deal. But just make sure you guys aren't going like crazy above that line so it's not splattering all over the place. Sometimes you can get away with it, but a lot of times you can't. So just for the longevity of your blender, pay attention to that. I absolutely love this Beast blender, y'all, and let me show you why. I just press the button, I walk away, I do my dishes, I do whatever I want to do, and the blender just slows down and it turns off by itself. We love it. And when I pour it, it's perfect, y'all. It's not lumpy and clumpy. Y'all see that stir? And remember, I was telling y'all in the last video, cohesiveness. Y'all see what I did there with the mangoes and the pineapples and the coconut and the greens? It's giving tropical, it's giving fruity, and everything that it needs to give. You feel me? So it was nice talking to y'all today. I'll see you guys in the next video.